Runway has just launched Agent, so I wanted to try it on a real creative task, not just a random generation, not just a single cinematic shot. In this video, I want to show you what that process looks like, from the first idea, to the conversation with the agent, to the finished video. Because the interesting part is not only the final result, it's how Runway Agent helps shape the idea, build the structure, and turn it into a complete video through one conversation. Runway is an AI creative platform for generating and editing images, videos, audio, and full creative workflows in one place. Instead of jumping between separate tools for every step, you can start from an idea and build different types of visual content directly inside Runway. And now they've added Runway Agent. It's designed to act more like a creative partner. You describe what you want, it helps shape the concept, and then it builds a complete multi-shot video through a conversation. This is the main Runway dashboard. From here, you can access different creative tools, start new sessions, generate videos or images, work with characters, and manage previous generations. For this video, I'm going to use the new Agent section. Inside Agent, the workflow is much more direct. You start by describing the video you want, and the agent turns that into a plan before building the final edited video. Before writing the prompt, we also get a few basic controls. I can choose the tone, the aspect ratio, the length, the resolution, and the audio style. For this video, I'm choosing cinematic as the tone because I want the result to feel atmospheric and story-driven instead of looking like a simple visual test. For the settings, I'll keep it in 16:9 for YouTube, choose around 15 seconds for the video, set the draft to 720p, and use music plus voiceover. Dialogue is not necessary here because this kind of short cinematic video works better with a score and a narration. Now let's start with this direction. The prompt is intentionally simple. I'm giving Agent the core story, the mood, and the format, then leaving room for it to develop the scenes, pacing, voiceover, and final structure. One thing I like here is that Agent is flexible even at this stage. As I start writing the prompt, it begins to understand what kind of visual inputs might be useful, and it decides on its own which reference fields to show. So instead of forcing a fixed upload structure from the beginning, Agent adapts to the direction of the prompt. That makes the workflow feel much more flexible. After I submit the prompt, Agent starts building the cast, the city, and the storyline before generating the video. Here, it gives the project a title, Still Here, and turns the idea into a short structure built for 15 seconds. The summary is simple. One survivor moves through the hollow silence of a collapsed city, searching through radio static for any sign of life. The emotional focus is not just survival, it is the small hope that continuing still means something. Agent also creates visual references for the world, the survivor, and the abandoned city. These references help define the look before the final video is generated. Then, it breaks the story into a few compact beats: silence, scanning the static, movement through the city, and the moment when the signal finally appears. And the useful part is that this is still editable. I can manually adjust the summary or change the story beats before moving into generation, so I'm not locked into the first version Agent gives me. Before generating, I want to add one more emotional element, a friendly German shepherd traveling with a survivor. It should make the story feel more grounded and less isolated without changing the main concept. Agent updates the story and adds the dog into the structure. Now the video still follows the same idea, a survivor, an abandoned city, and a signal, but the dog gives the journey a quieter emotional layer. Now I'm going to start the generation. The interface switches into the generation view, with the progress indicator in the middle, the timeline at the bottom, and the chat still visible on the left. There's also an option to enable notifications, so I can be alerted when the video is ready. The video is ready, and the result opens inside this editor-style workspace. Before I play it, you can already see that Runway Agent didn't just create a single raw clip, it assembled the whole result into a timeline, with the video, music, and voiceover already placed together.
I stopped counting the days around week 4, but I kept the radio. You keep the things that remind you there's something to look for. Somewhere, someone else is still moving.
The result is really strong. The atmosphere feels consistent, the abandoned city looks cinematic, the survivor and the dog work well together, and the overall pacing fits the short format. The scenes feel connected instead of random. We move through the empty city, the character has a clear direction, and the music and voiceover give the video a proper emotional structure.
I stopped counting the days around week 4, but I kept the radio. You keep the things that remind you there's something to look for. Somewhere, someone else is still moving.
Under the preview, we can see the timeline, and this is where the result starts to feel more like an assembled edit instead of a single generated clip. The first layer is the video track. This is where the visual scenes are arranged across the 15 seconds, so I can quickly see how the shots are placed and how the pacing is structured. Below that, we have the music track, which adds the cinematic mood and keeps the piece moving. And then we have the voiceover track, which carries the story and gives the visuals a more intentional narrative layer. There's also a split option, so we can cut parts of the video directly inside the editor if we want to tighten the pacing or adjust a specific moment. And when I right-click on the tracks, there are a few extra controls available as well. So besides previewing and navigating the timeline, I can zoom in, make track-level adjustments, give feedback, and finally download the finished video when I'm ready to use it. Now I want to try a completely different style. After the post-apocalyptic cinematic video, I want to see how Runway Agent handles something more luxurious, polished, and advertisement-driven. This time, I'm not starting only from text. I'll use my own visual references, the model, the location, and the perfume bottle, and we'll see how well Agent keeps everything consistent in the final video. For the settings, I'll choose luxury as the tone, keep the format in 16:9, set the duration to 15 seconds, and use music plus voiceover. Now I'll start with the prompt. And just like in the previous example, Agent doesn't only wait for a finished setup. As I write the prompt, it starts understanding the direction and automatically suggests the fields that fit the idea. In this case, since I'm building a luxury perfume commercial, Agent ends up suggesting the fields I need: character, location, and product. Once those fields appear, I can start uploading the references one by one. First the model, a refined luxury campaign-style portrait, then the location, a dark, premium background with warm, golden lighting, smoke, reflections, and an expensive perfume ad atmosphere. And finally, the perfume bottle, Velmora Noir Elegance, which will be the main product in the commercial. Let's generate an outline. Now the outline is generated. Runway Agent gives this video the title Noir Elegance, and it builds the whole direction around the uploaded references, the perfume bottle, the luxury location, and the model. The summary already feels very different from the first video. This time, it is not about survival or atmosphere in an empty city. It is more like a premium fragrance commercial: shadow, gold, elegance, and a slow product reveal. And then it builds the story beats around a simple luxury reveal. First, the atmosphere, then the model, then the reach toward the product, and finally, the perfume bottle as the hero shot. And again, this is not locked. I can manually edit the summary, adjust the story beats, or simply write a message to the agent and ask it to change the direction, make it darker, more elegant, more product-focused, or more cinematic. Now the second video is generated, so let's watch it together.
Some things are chosen last because they finish everything.
This result is honestly very impressive. The overall mood feels exactly like a luxury perfume commercial. The lighting is dark and elegant, the golden tones match the product style, and the model, the location, and the perfume bottle feel like they belong to the same visual world. What I like most is the consistency. The video doesn't feel like separate random shots. It feels like one polished brand piece, with the product reveal, the model, the atmosphere, the music, and the voiceover all working together. And this is where Runway Agent becomes really interesting. In the first example, it helped build a cinematic story from a simple idea. In this second example, it used my own references and turned them into a more controlled luxury advertisement. So the workflow can be flexible. You can start from almost nothing, or you can bring your own visual direction and let Agent build around it.
The key point is that Runway Agent is not just generating one isolated clip. It helps shape the concept, organize the structure, create the scenes, add music and voiceover, and assemble the result into a complete video through one conversation. You can try Runway Agent, the link is in the description, and you can get 50% off your first 3 months with the code AGENT50. Make sure to check the link in the description. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kind of video you would create with Runway Agent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.